Emma.
Do you understand English, but feel afraid to speak?
Maybe you know the words. Maybe you understand the question. But when someone speaks to you in English, your mind suddenly goes blank.
You start thinking, what should I say? Is my grammar correct? What if I make a mistake?
If that sounds like you, don't worry.
Today we're going to talk about how to speak English without fear and become more confident naturally.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking English.
You need to start speaking to become better.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Win English Lab.
This is a podcast where you can improve your English through simple conversations and useful ideas.
Today, we're talking about something many English learners struggle with:
Fear.
fear of making mistakes
Fear of being judged.
and fear of not speaking perfectly.
Emma.
Daniel, let me ask you something. When you were learning English, were you ever afraid to speak?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yes, I used to know what I wanted to say, but I was afraid that my English wasn't good enough.
What were you afraid of?
Making mistakes.
Emma.
I think that's one of the biggest problems for English learners.
They don't fear English. They fear making mistakes in English.
Exactly.
Sometimes we spend 10 seconds thinking about one sentence.
10 seconds?
Yes, I would think, is this the correct tense? Should I use do or make? Is my pronunciation okay?
Emma.
And while you're thinking,
The conversation is already over.
Emma.
exactly.
Daniel.
So what's the solution?
Emma.
The first rule is simple. Don't wait for perfect English.
Daniel.
That's important.
Emma.
You don't need perfect grammar to have a conversation.
Daniel.
You don't need a perfect accent.
Emma.
And you don't need to know thousands of words.
Daniel.
You just need enough English to communicate your idea.
Emma.
Exactly.
Daniel.
Imagine you want to say, I went to the supermarket yesterday because I needed some food.
Emma.
Maybe you forget the past tense.
Daniel.
That's okay.
Emma.
You could say, I go supermarket yesterday. I need food.
Daniel, is it perfect?
Emma.
No.
Daniel.
But can I understand you?
Emma.
Yes.
Daniel.
Then communication happened.
Emma.
And that's the first step.
Daniel.
Here's a useful phrase. I'm still learning.
Emma.
It means, I'm still learning.
Daniel.
You can use it when you're nervous about your English.
Emma.
For example, sorry if my English isn't perfect. I'm still learning.
Daniel.
That's a very natural sentence.
Emma.
There's another problem.
Daniel.
Let me guess. Translating everything in your head?
Emma.
Exactly.
Daniel.
This happens to many learners.
Emma.
They think in their native language first.
Daniel.
Then they translate.
Emma.
Then they check the grammar.
Daniel.
Then they translate again.
Emma.
And by the time they're ready to speak,
Daniel.
The conversation has moved on.
Emma.
so instead of translating every sentence, learn chunks.
Daniel.
Chunks?
Emma.
Yes, a chunk is a group of words that you learn together.
Daniel.
For example, what do you mean?
Emma.
Don't think about every individual word. Learn the whole phrase.
Daniel.
What do you mean?
Emma.
Another one. I'm not sure.
Daniel.
Or, let me think.
Emma.
Or, that sounds great.
Daniel.
These phrases help you speak faster because you don't need to build every sentence from zero.
Emma.
Here's another useful phrase. Let me think.
Daniel.
It means,
J toi sui nghi mot shoot. Emma.
You can use it when you need more time.
Daniel,
For example, what do you think about this idea?
Emma,
Let me think.
Daniel,
Simple.
Emma,
But very useful.
Daniel,
Emma, what's another way to become more confident?
Emma,
Make small mistakes.
Daniel,
Make mistakes on purpose?
Emma,
Not exactly, but don't try to avoid every mistake.
Daniel,
Why?
Emma,
Because mistakes are part of learning.
Daniel,
If you speak only when you're 100% sure, you'll probably speak very little.
Emma,
That's true.
Daniel,
Instead, set a small goal.
Emma,
Today, speak English for 5 minutes.
Daniel,
Tomorrow, speak for 6 minutes.
Emma,
Next week, try 10 minutes.
Daniel,
We're not trying to become fluent overnight.
Emma,
Exactly.
Daniel,
We're building confidence one small conversation at a time.
Emma,
Let's give our listeners a simple method.
Daniel,
Good idea.
Emma,
First, speak simply.
Daniel,
Don't try to use complicated vocabulary.
Emma,
Say, I like this.
Daniel,
Instead of, I find this particularly fascinating.
Emma,
Simple English is still English.
Daniel,
Second, speak slowly.
Emma,
You don't have to speak fast to sound fluent.
Daniel,
That's important. Speaking slowly gives you time to think.
Emma,
And third, keep going.
Daniel,
If you make a mistake, don't stop.
Emma,
Correct yourself and continue.
Daniel,
For example, actually, yesterday I went to the store.
Emma,
You made a mistake,
Daniel,
You corrected it.
Emma,
and you continued.
Daniel,
That's communication.
Emma,
Now let's practice with our listeners.
Daniel,
Imagine you're meeting someone new.
Emma,
I'll ask a question. You answer. Ready?
Daniel,
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Emma,
Take a moment and answer.
Daniel,
Now, where are you from?
Emma,
Take a moment and answer.
Daniel,
Next, what do you do?
Emma,
And finally, what do you like to do in your free time? Daniel.
See? You just had a short conversation in English.
Emma,
And you didn't need perfect English.
Daniel,
There's one more thing we need to talk about.
Emma,
Comparison.
Daniel,
You watch someone speak English fluently and think, why can't I speak like that?
Emma,
But you're comparing your beginning to someone else's years of practice.
Daniel,
Exactly.
Emma,
Maybe they have practiced for 5 years.
Daniel,
Maybe you've practiced for 5 months.
Emma,
Your goal isn't to speak like them.
Daniel,
Your goal is to speak.
better than you did yesterday. Emma,
That's a much healthier goal.
Daniel,
So, Emma, what's the biggest secret to speaking English confidently?
Emma,
I think it's this. You become confident by speaking, not by waiting to feel confident.
Daniel,
That's powerful.
Emma,
Many people say, when I become good at English, I'll start speaking.
Daniel,
But it works the other way, Aru.
Emma,
You speak.
Daniel,
You make mistakes.
Emma,
You learn.
Daniel,
You speak again.
Emma,
And slowly,
Daniel,
You become confident.
Emma,
let's give you one challenge.
Daniel,
Today, speak English for 5 minutes.
Emma,
You can talk to yourself.
Daniel,
You can talk to a friend.
Emma,
You can record your voice.
Daniel,
You can even describe what you're doing.
Emma,
For example, I'm making coffee.
Daniel, I'm checking my phone.
Emma,
I'm going to work.
Daniel,
I'm feeling a little tired today.
Emma,
Don't worry about being perfect.
Daniel,
Just speak.
Emma,
Before we finish, let's remember today's 3 important ideas.
Daniel,
Number 1. Don't wait for perfect English.
Emma,
Number 2, learn useful phrases, not just individual words.
Daniel,
And number 3. Speak a little every day.
Emma,
Your English doesn't need to be perfect.
Daniel,
It just needs to be used.
Emma,
So don't be afraid of mistakes.
Daniel,
Don't be afraid of your accent.
Emma,
And don't be afraid of speaking slowly.
Daniel,
Every time you speak, you're practicing.
Emma,
Every mistake is feedback.
Daniel,
Every conversation is progress.
And remember, you don't need confidence to start speaking English.
You start speaking English, and confidence comes naturally.
Thanks for listening to Win English Lab.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and most importantly,
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
see you in the next episode.